You have one bearing right there, and you have another bearing right there. So it's impractical for you guys to come up here, obviously, and get into this enclosed space up here. So they put them out somewhere. I can't see them from my side. Can you see them, Lloyd? There should be Zorg fittings there.
Metal panel on the other side.
It's probably there because that's where they're leading. So these are the bearings that you really have to grease. These are the bearings that are out in the elements. These are the bearings that it's going to snow tonight into tomorrow. These are the bearings that are going to sit with snow on them because your cooling towers aren't running right now. These are the bearings that it's going to ice over on these blades and it's going to drip down. These are the motors that are totally enclosed air over. That's what the category of these. You see these motors? You see the fins there?
Yeah.
It's like a radiator?
Yeah.
Okay, your motors downstairs don't have those radiator fins. These fins are designed to cool the motor down externally. There's no airflow in the motor like I told you the other motors inside.